guys, I'm gonna do a little Saturday vlog. Yeah, it's gonna be some thunderstorm warning. So we got a possible tornado watch. So we got some downpouring rain and some high winds and some thunder and the flashes of lightning. So a while ago my power went out. It's either because the high winds blowing on the power lines, probably which includes, let's see, my power's out. My power's back on, but we still see some flashing and lightning. Air feels good, but the rain is terribly heavy. And the lightning. You see the window, it's all wet. So we were warned for looks like a flash flood warning, and still some flashback. Didn't get the lightning though. So we were issued a thunderstorm warning with some heavy rain, torrential rain downpour. Got some garbage cans and the recycle bins on the side of the road because the wind blew them over. And the brighter flash of the lightning, the closer the sound of the thunderstorm is. The sound of the loudness of the thunderstorm is. The thunder shout, the thunderclap is. This one regards to the bath in the rain. Saturday, August 12th, 2023. So pretty much I stayed home all day like I used to do. Don't want to go out there because I don't want to get struck by lightning. Yes, the power did go up because of the power surge because of the storm. Right now it's about 6:06 p.m. Eastern Standard Time on this Saturday evening. Basically, I slept till I remember when I slept till 9. So I woke up around 9:04 this morning, and then so while I was on the Holland Township for structure fire, and the automated fire alarm, but the automated fire alarm came out to be a trouble because of a power outage or power surge. The structure fire that took place on was like somewhere on Brimley Road. Some multiple fire departments got called out. So tankers were required, which includes couple engines for drafting machines or drafting apparatus. Drafting means sucking water from a pond or a pond hydrant or a body of water such as river or lake, or a regular pond, or sometimes a dry fire hydrant. Or dry hydrant. So normally the fill stations are usually, it's either fill stations, tankers would usually set up portable ponds to make a fill site. Some tankers, people would fill up the tankers or water tankers up for any type of fire. I believe that would be it for this evening. Almost basically 7 minutes into the video, so as the storm is basically passing through. So if you like this video, make sure you subscribe. Make sure you leave a genuine comment. Make sure you get your bell notified or turn on the bell and ring it. So make sure you subscribe. Make sure you hit that notification bell. Make sure you hit that like button. Make sure you leave a genuine comment. And make sure you share, and share. To help the YouTube algorithm. So other than that, love the sound of the rain. I believe this is good for the farmers. The crops for the farmers, so they would harvest crops like corn. They usually chop. Normally they usually chop corn around maybe September, August or September, I believe. I think they plant corn in like May. Maybe late May or June. And corn grows by maybe around July. And it is usually chopped down or harvested by either September or October. August, September, or October. So rain's tapering off, but we still got some thunder that we hear in the background. It looks like there's another storm coming our way. Gotta keep my ears on the scanner just in case I get a tree down call or whatever what it is. So other than that, I hope you have a great day. And this is what you should do exciting out. So hope you guys have a great day. This is T Studio X signing out. And I hope you have a great day. Peace.